Hey, buddy. What are we up to, huh? Playing peekaboo here. And he's off. Yeah, I'm still here. So he's been checking out my garden, you know, trying to see if anything's springing forth. I'm gonna show you guys what I have going. You been checking out my garden, buddy? You been checking it out? I might have to put a little fence around it. Let me show you guys what I got over here. Okay. We got some honeydew right here. Cucumbers right here. These big leaves of cucumbers. Then we got some corn on the cob. Some sweet corn, and I hope and pray that it is sweet. We got some zucchini over here. And as you can see, oh, there it goes. She's coming along.